Another app that we have is the Monai segmentation app. Now this is ultimately meant to be used in conjunction with Monai label, but for now it is a general segmentation tool. When the image loads, you will have a variety of tools that you can use. The first one selected by default is the brush. Here you can see a pattern generated as you brush and click around. Next, you can hide the brush or bring it back. You can change the brush size, and you can even erase if need be. If you want to zoom in on the image, use the zoom in and zoom out buttons in the top right corner of the image. Zooming in will take you in a bit, and of course, since some of the image is now obscured, if you need to move it, go ahead and click the move tool, which will hide the mask a little so that you can move the image around, and then you can click the brush again to bring it back. Finally, we also have Cocoa polygon segmentations. If you click the polygon tool, you can now start clicking and dropping points to go ahead and outline the shape of a certain geographic atrophy or whatever it is that you are trying to segment. Now, if you make a mistake, you can right-click and it will undo. If you hit enter, it will go ahead and lock in this polygon segmentation, and here you can see it here. We can delete it if we need, but if we have one we like, and I will go quickly for the sake of the demo, we can lock it in, and for convenient shape, in order to annotate a large area all at once, we can do what's called a stamp, which is going to take the polygon shape and match it to the brush canvas. So what that means is we took the polygon and brushed its shape onto the brush canvas. We can hide the polygons and see that we have brush in the same color as the rest of the brush that we had already drawn. Now if we'd like, we can make some adjustments, clean some edges, whatever needs to be done to make it a little bit better. And then of course, we can save. The last thing is that we can also put in some messages if we want. And one more thing about the polygons. While they're still green and being decided upon, one can click the points and adjust, then lock it in and stamp as necessary. It's important to note that even if you delete polygons that have already been stamped, that their brush pattern remains. Here we click next image to proceed to the next example.